Are you getting frustrated with low reach on TikTok? These may be the key reasons why. So apparently this is what the new TikTok algorithm 2023 is prioritizing at the moment, based on what this guy has said, and apparently what TikTok have been telling brand partners and key influencers. If you wait to the very end, I will reveal 2 bonus important tips. So the first one is the hashtags and the captions are not that useful anymore, use only 2 to 3. As TikTok really going for the SEO now because they want to compete with YouTube and they want people to be on TikTok to look for information more instead of Google, then this one makes sense. Use hashtags, just to describe what your content is about or give TikTok a general idea to use them as keywords. I recommend you could use up to maybe 6 though and use a range like a specific hashtag. So hashtag related to the post you're talking about, then do a niche one as in like gives it social media tips or gaming, emotional hashtag, and you could also do location. Next one is subtitles to categorize your content. And 80 to 90% of people watch your videos on silent. So this would really help delivering your message anyway. And also having in-app subtitles. This will help TikTok collect more metadata to know what your content's all about and help push it out to the right people. Just the same with subtitles, it's all about metadata, and if you put the keywords of what your post is actually about and hide it on your screen, you can always change the time duration. This is going to help TikTok even more collect metadata, and it will help you with your SEO and keyword rankings. Okay, using the word you in your first sentence. A lot of this is just like basic marketing, but yeah, if you use you in your sentence, it makes like the person who's watching your video feel like you're talking to them and it's more personal and it will track them. I really doubt TikTok have said this, but it is a good tip. I think I just like started then, don't I? Edit in CapCut or record directly in TikTok for the algorithm to boost it. I do think if you do show CapCuts, yeah, it does boost it because it's owned by the same company. And also CapCut videos are all the rage at the moment. It's like trending in it. Algorithm prioritizes creators who are good TikTok citizens. This is a basic practice you should do on all social media platforms to build a community and help get new eyes seen on your account and your profile. If the app knows you are active on it, then it's going to reward you by pushing out your content. And you'll also find on TikTok, the more you post on a regular basis, the more momentum you get, and the more you stop and reduce your posting, all right, the more your views will decrease. People engaging with their shopping functionality will see their non-shop content get boosted as well. Apps do normally reward you if you use the features. And that could be true because if TikTok pushes out you as a creator more, then it will hope that other people will see your shop content and then you'll give TikTok money. So next one is it's okay to delete videos. And in the past, right, if you deleted too many videos all at once, TikTok would actually punish you and suppress your account because it would think that you've either posted spammy content or you're spamming everybody or your content's not that great, so why else would you delete it? I will say, like, if you do delete your videos, you can re-upload them and make them better and tweak them slightly, but I will just point out there is a thing called delayed view explosion. I had this on one of my videos. I was going to delete it, then I left it for a few months, and now it's on like 3.2 million views. So you may have to think again if you are going to delete your video because you never know, it could get this delayed explosion. The algorithm is prioritizing content that has crystal clear sound audio. This is another one which most people marketing know about because if you sound more clear, then obviously people are going to hear you, they're going to get the message more, they're probably going to continue to watch the video. And also you have to remind yourself, and this is on other social media platforms as well, these platforms want the user, the viewer, to have the best possible experience. So it's going to show you the best quality content. Last one is make sure you don't push the volume up to 130%, and that makes sense because you don't want to deafen people. Algorithm should really be just replaced with the word audience because basically if your video does not do well, perform well, it's nothing to do with the algorithm, it's to do with just the audience for whatever reason at every time. Didn't like it, didn't resonate with them, didn't create impact, didn't entice engagement. None of these things will matter if you are creating crap content. They can just help contribute and help boost it and make it perform a tiny bit better. And if you're about to say, yeah, but I see loads of crap content that goes viral, that's because crap content gets a lot of engagement, which helps push the video And also there's normally some horrible clickbaity title, just like I've used for my headline. Free to ask me any questions in the comments below about any of these subjects or features on the app. Subscribe and like this video if you found it valuable. I will see you on the next one.